Okay, welcome to the banjo barn again. So this has had time to sit all night and dry. So let's see how that part held out where I put the glue on the pot yesterday. Well, that looks good. See how much better this is back here. I don't know if you can tell or not, but these things were like sticking up. I think I'm going to paint this thing this morning. I might want to get some wood putty, and I've got some around here somewhere. I saw it just the other day, and I'm pretty sure I put it somewhere where I could find it, and it might be out there in the shed where the tractor is. I'm gonna go up there and have a look. I'm gonna leave this here. What else did I glue down yesterday? I think I glued down a piece on this neck. Yeah, it had a piece where this mother of pearl stuff was sitting up and looking ugly. We'll work on that. I think I saw some WD-40 in here the other day, and I think I'll put some on these screws. I put the vinegar on them to take the rust off of them, and it did a pretty good job. But I think a little WD-40 to coat it with would be good. And I got a little tiny can of it here. Yeah, it works. I've also got a couple of more little pieces in here that needs to be rinsed off. I had them sitting in vinegar all night. A little bit more. So the first thing I'll do is go and look for that wood putty. And I'll be back in a second or two, and we'll take it from there. I'm going to let what I've done sit and dry. I polished the head ring and the pot ring, and I filled this with some various different things to kind of fill in the gaps on this neck. I want to wash the neck because it's got spaces on it, like you see those little circles. I can wash that off. That goes underneath where the tuning pegs go. Yeah, so I got stuff to do. But I think this part I'll let sit for a while. I also wanted to do something on this pot over here with some wood putty. Let's do that. Let's do a little bit of that. Right here. All right, I think I'm gonna let that sit and dry, harden up. This stuff says this wax produces a hard, dry, oilless polish. Allow wax to dry thoroughly 10 to 15 minutes. Polish with a clean cloth or electric polisher. We'll see how that goes. I've got some other wood polish over here. It's hard, but I think this stuff, this putty, I think you can wet it with water and get it to soften up. Right now it's pretty hard, but I might be able to rejuvenate that. I've got some wood putty in a tube over there. It doesn't seem like it wants to come out, but I might can get the tube to open up. Got some clear coat here. Got some black paint here. I will, after I clean this neck, I will paint it. Give that time to harden up. Oh, the joy. Suppose I could go ahead and glue that on there. I may want to wait until I get it on the pot. That might be easier to get the neck exactly straight if I do that. So, once again, I'm going to walk away from it, and I'll come back to it soon. Alrighty. Oh, the joy.